let's go for the handle. So on the other side here, we would like to have a handle. And in this case, instead of doing a loft, we will try to do a sweep. A little bit similar, I will take a plane and make a copy with Control, and I will make again a sketch plane, and again I will make an elliptical shape here. I will go flat here. So I go for elliptical. Where is the elliptical? And I hover about 0 here, so I can just get this around there, and I make it elliptical in this direction here, and go out from the sketch. So now we have a sketch on this plane here. Position this a little bit lower, okay. And I would like to make a sweep curve, so I would like to find a plane like that one to work on. So again, there is a lot of sketches in Solidworks. We're inside a sketch, and before we go flat, we could take the opportunity to just click on that, and now I'll choose this style spline here. So I go for that dot there, and then we could go for space bar, click on this one here, and then we could, oops, I just lost that one, but maybe we could fix that. No, we got it. Nice. It was just a graphical update. So here we have a path for the handle here, and I was careful having it connected there. So let's see what happens now if we sweep this one. And we could, if we like, at this point here, break up a relationship. So if I, for instance, would like to go for the inside, which sometimes would be a little bit smarter, because it might shrink in a peculiar way, then we can click on this green dot here, or green relationship indicator, and just delete it. And now we could just move this around, and we could, for instance, have it locking to that instead. So it just snapped automatically. Let's go flat. So with spacebar, and then we could adjust this. Oh, actually it's not that bad. We could try this, okay? So we have 2 sketches, and now we go for a sweep instead. Feature, sweep. And now it would like to have a profile, and that would be that one. And now it would like to have a path, and that would be the style spline. And we get a preview. And if you get a preview, you should be a little bit happy. Then you know it should work. And this should be welded automatically. So you see that merge is turned on. So this will be one body here. And that is okay. That's what we're aiming for. And again, there is some stuff here that we might turn off the visibility here. Okay.